banana bread.
Get her, Ben.
Bumper to bumper to bumper to bumper, the oven's pre-cooking. We want to see the back bumper go sky high to make some banana bread here in Coldwater tonight. These drivers are starting to wind them up, and away we go. Come to a stop. Come to a stop, drivers. Come to a stop. Got the fire extinguisher. Now we're going to put it out. Let's go. Jumped around by the 20. Maybe something around. Red flag, drivers, red flag. Let's go! The 95 just made one heck of a hit on the so there goes my car. Oh, there's the other one. I tried to warn you, I'm sorry. I can't talk Ellie, I'm sorry. I'm trying. Three tires, the 13 was under the count, now off the count. Count on the 13. Count on the 28, 15, and the 25. '95 has been counted out. 28-15 is under the count. The 25 is under the count. Boy, he just bumped himself on the front bumper of the 13. Flag falling on the 28-15. We got the number 62 under the count at the far end. I see the 1991 is still moving, I believe. Here comes the 62. He's trying. '25's been black flag. 19's been black flag. Here comes the 62. 1991, shoving the right front quarter in on that Cadillac. We got the 62 under the count. We got the 44 being black flagged to the far side of the ring. We got the number 62 under the count. 1991 is waiting to see if Mason can get this Cadillac refired. He's trying. Mason's calling it. Ladies and gentlemen, finishing third, you've got the number 44. Finishing second, you got our youth champion from this year, the number 62. And finishing in first, you got the 1991. Let's hear it for these drivers. We're going to take a minute to get this ring clear. Once we have the ring clear, we are going to be getting ourselves underway with our feature heat of the night, the Bone Stock feature.